In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Shopify to Zendesk. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. All right, let's jump right into it. The first thing you need to do is open your Zendesk admin dashboard. You want to log into your central Zendesk workspace because this is where all your configuration settings are located. So if you've got your login details handy, go ahead and enter them now. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the Admin Hub, which is your gateway to the Zendesk features and settings. Next, we're going to navigate to the App Marketplace. On the sidebar of the Zendesk interface, you'll see various options. Look for the one labeled App Marketplace or Extension Directory. When you find it, click on it. This will take you to a robust directory of applications that you can add to enhance your Zendesk experience. Now, in the App Marketplace, we need to search for Shopify. Go ahead and type Shopify for Zendesk into the Marketplace search bar. It's important to find the official app listing, so take a moment to confirm that you have the right one. Once you find it, usually it will have a good amount of reviews and possibly some ratings. Click on the Install button. This process sets us up for linking your Shopify store to your Zendesk account, which is essential for streamlining your customer support experience. After clicking Install, you'll now be prompted to authorize store permissions. This step is crucial. It helps ensure everything is connected securely. You'll see a handshake prompt that asks you to log into your Shopify account. Enter your Shopify login details as requested. This authorization is safe, and it's how Zendesk gets the permission it needs to pull data from your Shopify store seamlessly. Once you've completed these steps, you should receive a confirmation that your Shopify store is successfully linked to Zendesk. You can now start to enjoy the benefits of having your customer inquiries, orders, and support tickets all in one place. It enhances your capacity to serve your customers better, as you'll have all the essential information at your fingertips. To wrap things up, let's quickly review what we did today. We started from the Zendesk admin dashboard, navigated to the App Marketplace, searched for the Shopify integration, and then authorized the necessary permissions to link the two platforms. It's a fairly straightforward process once you know the steps, and it lays the foundation for better customer service capabilities. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions about linking Shopify to Zendesk, feel free to drop a comment below, and I'd be happy to assist. And remember to subscribe if you want more useful guides like this one. Thank you for watching, and happy linking!